Tuesday, January 7th, we're looking to jump into Roku here. As you can see, it has switched. All right, we're short this thing now. So we just clicked short. So we jumped in. All right, cool. So we are out on the day. So here we go. Yeah, perfect. So we jumped into Roku. Picked up 61 bucks, not too bad when we were risking around $25. So yeah, so that's the first trade of the day. It's a good way to start the day. We've had like 30 minutes of consolidation, so we brought this back up. This is unchecked. Gonna go to market, stop, range, low order. I'm gonna put at the bottom of this candle, and and if it just dips there and it gets me out, it's fine, whatever. But with this kind of consolidation and this much time that's gone by, if it's either going to break to the upside or it's going to break to the downside. And if it's going to break to the downside, it's going to limit my loss here. All right, so it looks like we might get stopped out here. That spread just opened back up again. So, and this thing's dropping pretty hard. Looking at the level 2, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot here to stop it from dropping. So we'll see. We might get stopped out down here, which is, unfortunate, but it was making its way there. But here we are. So we're back at this, what was resistance is hopefully now support. And we'll see if that holds true. It's hit it a few times. So, the more it hits it, the more likely it is to break. But yeah. So yeah, there it goes, 11. So we're out. All right, cool. So we took a small loss on that one, 20 bucks. So still up nicely on the day, 40 bucks. So yeah, looking for the next trade. It's almost 12 o'clock, so I'll be done with my gap trades here in a second. And then the only thing I'll have left is my premium trades, and nothing looks like it's setting up right now. So we'll be back if anything happens. All right, so we're going to shut it down there for today. Not a whole lot of opportunity today. There's a few trades that came up that were on my list that I just missed, so I wasn't able to take advantage of them.